Hello student, welcome to ninth Standard Geography, Lesson First, Distributional Map, Part 3rd. Students, during the holidays, you like to go for outing, you like to go for picnic or excursion. And when you go there, you like to enjoy the new places to see. You like to be in the environment. You like to visit the river or the mountains or the forest, and you enjoy it. Now we are going to learn the topic related. It's similar like picnic, but not exactly picnic. So, geographical field visit. Field visit is an important study method in geography. So now you must have realized that it is the study method. Although we enjoy it, but it's the study method. Geographical concepts and elements can be directly experienced through field visit. So we are right in the midst of the field, and then we are observing it, we are experiencing it physically, we are present over there, we are studying from the book, but now the whatever we have studied, we are experiencing it. Field visits are extremely useful for understanding the correlation between humans and environment. We are part of the environment. We are living in the environment. We are living with the environment, and therefore we are part of it. So, what is the correlation with the environment, human being and environment? That we have to understand. So, how to prepare a field visit? Preparation for field visits. Before going to the field visit, decide the place and the purpose of field visit. What is the purpose? Why are we visiting that particular place? Suppose it is Kadakwasla Dam or any other place, any other factory. Why are we going there? What is the purpose of it? And then the elements which will be observed in field visit should be decided. So if we are going to see a factory, which type of factory we are going to visit, which elements we are going to see, what we are going to study from it. Study the location map and the route map of the place to be visited. So we have to study two maps, that is location map, where this place is located, if it is in Pimpri or Chinchwad or wherever it is, and how to go there, how to reach there from our place. So route map is equally important. What is the distance? What are the transport routes, means of transport, and duration of field visit? It should be planned ahead. So we have to plan it. With the help of teachers, students should prepare a questionnaire. So before going there, we have to prepare a few questionnaires and then get ready for the field visit. The questionnaires should be what are we going to observe over there? If it is a factory, then what production they make over there? How many workers are there? Which is the type of factory, etc. Selection of the study area. Geographical field visit is organized for study of various elements. For example, physical landforms, riverbanks, dams, coastal areas, tourism sites, offices or museums related to geographical elements, villages, forest areas, etc. Elements should be selected after studying the local conditions, and necessary permission later have to be take have to be obtained. So here, my dear students, if we are going to visit a dam, if we are going to visit a dam, then we have to obtain a letter, permission letter. Otherwise, we cannot go to particular area of the dam, and therefore we must have the permission. For a field visit, you should carry a notebook, specimen questionnaires, pen, pencil, scale, tape, compass, a bag for collecting samples, map, camera, etc. Precautions to be taken during field visit. It is very important to ensure safety of ourselves and others during the field visit. You should obey the instruction given by the teachers. You should not go to unknown remote places alone. During field visit, you should try to understand the local circumstances by conversing with the local people. So, dear students, you must have a conversation with the local people. You must talk politely, positively, and seek information from there. They are the people staying in that locality, so they can tell you exactly what is happening over there. You should also ensure that you do not harm the environment in any way during your field visit. So when the most likely the tendency is when we go for field visit, we take out some eatables from the bag, we eat and throw the wrappers in anywhere. Then, secondly, we see the plants. Simply, at all, we take a stick and go on beating the plants and plucking the leaves. So, this is in this way, my dear student, we harm the environment, and there are quite many other ways which you are aware of it. So, environment take care of us. Then we must also take care of environment. We must not harm environment. You should always keep a first aid box with you for emergency circumstances. So, in case any mishaps takes place, any accident takes place, then you have already first aid box. So, immediately you can give the use the first aid so that by the time you reach to the doctor, you can control yourself. Report writing. A field report should be written on the basis of information obtained after the visit is completed. So, after the completion of our field visit, we have taken down quite many notes, and then these notes, when we come back to the school, then we can write a report. So, how to write a report? The help is given over here. Use the following issues to make a report. Add photographs whenever necessary. So, first of all, you must write introduction. Where did you go? Which place you have chosen for field visit? What was the purpose of your field visit? Should be written in the introduction. Then, about that place, about the location of that particular place, if you have the map of that location map and the route map, you must mention that, you must draw that and show the place where you are visiting or where you are already visited now. Then the physiography of that place. Physiography is that you have to show whether you have visited the mountainous region or the plains or the plateau or the island or coastal region. So this is called the physiography of that place. What type of climate you have experienced there, and you must have got the information about the climate over there. Then what is the population of that particular place? Next, environmental problems which the people are facing over there. For example, if you have visited the factory, then factory pollution. The so pollutions are of three types, and what measures one the factory has taken, the people have taken, then how the land is been utilized over there. Finally, we have to conclude by writing the conclusion of the field visit. So, in the conclusion, what is your expert advice over there? My dear student, in this way, we have so far studied distributional map. In the distributional map, we have studied dot method, which is used for counting. Through counting we can use this method. Then choropleth method, use of different colors. Isopleth method, use of lines, we have seen that. And then finally we have studied the geographical field visit and how to go there, what are the things necessary to carry with us, then how to select an area, what type of precaution we must take, and how to write a report. In this way we have taken. Now please go through the note.